highest of heights to the depths of the sea. Creation's revealing your
The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Psalms 19 verse 1. When we pause to look at the world around us, the vastness of the sky, the beauty of a sunset, the intricate design of a flower, we catch a glimpse of God's creativity and power. Creation is a constant reminder of God's majesty and his attention to detail. Each part of creation reflects his glory and invites us to worship the Creator. As we go through our day, let's take moments to marvel at the world God has made. Let the beauty of creation remind us of his greatness, his care, and his presence in our lives. Every sunrise, every breeze, every star in the sky speaks of a God who is both powerful and personal.